Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tom Sagana. Welcome to Kulea CP Training on Sustainable Water Management. I'm an expert and trainer in environmental, safety, health, social practices, agricultural value chain. I'm working with Mossad Management Services Limited, based in East Africa, Kenya. Under a framework contract with Kulea CP, I'm working to provide training and support for capacity building in environmental management systems, many English-speaking countries.
Hello, my name is Jane Wakiru from Nairobi, Kenya. I'm an expert trainer in sustainable environmental management, and under the framework contract with Kulea CP, I am working to provide sustainable water management trainings, support and skills, mainly in the English-speaking countries. I will be working with Tom Sagana as a second trainer in this remote training course. We would like to welcome you to this online course on sustainable water management.
This course is planned to last for 4 weeks, where we shall be covering one topic per week. The format of delivery of this course shall be alternation of asynchronous session, on learning time with synchronous session, live session via Zoom. Each topic comprises of 2 to 4 sequences. Each sequence has several activities to be carried out. The activity consists of notes to read and short videos to watch at your own pace during a synchronous session, a brainstorm, a recap, and further elaboration of the same topic by the trainer will be realized during the scheduled synchronous session. Useful additional resources are available for each topic or activity, as well as discussion forum to allow you to ask questions or discuss the training among yourself. We invite you to be as active as possible on these forums and to interact with us. Finally, each topic will end up with a short quiz, which will allow you to test your knowledge before moving on to the next topics. In addition, there will be an exercise at the end of each topic to test your overall understanding of the subject. We now quickly introduce you to these 2 different topics of this training.
Topic 1, water requirements of plants in agriculture. By the end of this session, participants will have the understanding on 1, the nature, states, and properties of water. 2, the water cycle. 3, the concept of a hydrogeological basin. 4, the concept of aquifers. And 5, soil-water relationships, which would include the water content, wilting points of plants, water requirements, etc.
Topic 2, sources of contamination and the importance of water quality. By the end of this session, participants would have understood 1, the main causes of contamination and pollution of aquatic environment by agricultural activities, fertilizers and pesticides. 2, the effect of erosion on water quality. 3, the causes of water salinity. 4, the causes and effect of nutrient pollution. 5, the water quality parameters applicable to standards. 6, how to use contaminated water in agriculture. That means wastewater and saline and etc.
Topic 3, impact of agriculture on water quality. By the end of this session, participants will have understood the influence of farming practices on water quality. 2, parameters of water quality that will include physical, chemical, and biological, and how to measure them. 3, the importance of water quality for horticultural businesses that will include irrigation, washing of products, etc. And 4, identify the sources of water pollution and assess the risks to water.
Topic 4, improving water management and reducing the impact of water resources. By the end of this session, participants will be able to 1, understand the value of water management and how to improve water storage in the soil or improve water transport. 2, understand how to improve water efficiency, storage, field use, and post-harvest. 3, understand how to measure and reduce water consumption. 4, understand how to avoid water pollution, integrated management of fertilizers and plant productive products. 5, how to recover, store, and store water. 6, understand the basic of treatment, filter and treatment systems, and recycling of wastewater. At this point, we shall sum up activity for the course as follows. 1, summary of the key points. 2, discussion with participants on the follow-up activities after the training. And 3, evaluation of the whole training. Thank you very much for your attention.
We wish you all an excellent learning experience. Thank you.